Hey YouTube. YouTube. This is DizKid02 here. And it was a little bit late the next day, but I did get in the DVD digital copy. DVD plus digital copy of Fast and the Furious presents Hobbs and Shaw. Here's the front spine. Excuse me. And the back. And it reads Fast and Furious Fun. Essay by Scott Mendelson. Of 4CB. EVs or something. Anyway, besides Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, and I keep bringing actors' names here, but anyway, it also includes Idris Elba. If anybody wants, there's the digital code. As you know, with Universal, they have a digital code and a free movie code. So if anybody wants that, let me know. And here's the disc. It's amazing how many movies Universal has made for the Fast and Furious franchise. Anyway, please subscribe, comment, and also have a
Baby band.